Hi, this is AJ. Welcome to Post Market Report. And today's global cues was really good, and US future was trading higher, and so we actually opened higher. But within a few minutes, the selling pressure came in the market, and I could not understand that why there was a selling pressure. And forward about the selling pressure, yesterday the US market VIX fall more than 9.5%. So I was really expecting that the Indian VIX is also going to fall, but in the first minute we can see that the market start falling, and the VIX was higher. So it was a clueless why market is falling against the global trend, and around 11 a.m. news flash came that RBI governor will be making some statement at 2 p.m. and surely some people would know about it, and that is why the selling pressure was in the market, and we saw that there was a good. And otherwise, logically speaking, worldwide, when the VIX is collapsing, we should not collapse, and it was really unexpected. So market is just so volatile, and nobody knows where it goes, but some people really have some inside information that but that's not gonna affect the LIC IPO. And it were a lot of speculation that government is not going to do until LIC IPO is it's really clueless. And but the RBI don't bother about the LIC IPO. Let's see. But the LIC has got a really good response. The shareholder and the policyholder quota has been fully subscribed, and the retail and FIIs will surely gonna be doing so that. But institutions are kind of hedge funds have also put some money into it, but FII haven't. But we have 4 business day ahead, so let's see what FII will do. And I think LIC is gonna really good, and I will not really be surprised about LIC got a really good subscription from the retail ahead of the bad market condition. But let's see. So around 2 p.m. RBI governor came, and he was already doing the interest rate is going to increase by 40 basis points. But but the news were already in the market to some people, so we saw really down move in the market. But RBI can do in that they would have been this meeting was not scheduled at all, and they came and surprised, and this was this Shivaji of hila dala na wala scene ho gaya. And let's see, market is reacting so violently, and it's going anywhere. 16,800 was a really good support, but let's see. So what's gonna next? I expect that market is trying to if we talk about the bubble scenario, everyone thinks that we are in the bubble right now, but I think we are not that in the bubble. The US markets are really in the bubble, because if the rates are increasing, the market is having a fear of inflation, and I think US market should worry about it, and we Indian markets and China markets are in a good condition right now, because we are having a cheap levels and all. I don't expect that the Indian market is gonna be like that, collapsing, but I think it's gonna sustain. And probably Nifty has fallen around 500 points from intraday high and low, but it was not straightforward. If it was straightforward, people would have selling call option. So around 2 p.m. just before our governor was coming to life, market was recovered to 17,000, but after he came it fallen about 350 points. So US futures are doing really firm. It's really not about the global cues, it's all about the local cues. And the FII has sold 3,300 crores, and the IAs have bought around 1,300 crores, so the net was around 2000 crores sold in the market, but this is not a big figure. But along with these FIIs and HNIs, like they have like a panic selling because of the unexpected rate high. But like the market is really in a low condition, and from the past weeks I have been hopeful that 16,800 will not be broken. Like I have already given you the levels, but today it has crossed 16,800, so I feel like the next support is going to be 15,700. And I don't think that in this scenario any option chain or open interest is going to work. So I feel really bad about the markets, and let's see what happened. So the picture looks really bad, and we know that if global chaos supported us, then we can see that like market can consolidate, and so it's all about RBI. So the next tomorrow, so the Fed is like thinking to have a rate hike of 75 basis points, but the US markets I think have already prepared for it, but we can see a little bit bearish move also, and seems like RBI should also like keep aware people about these things, because seems like some trader would have really faced some good losses, because 16,800 was seeming like a really good support. But in between the Kotak Bank results came, and which was really good, and in fact like Kotak was rising around 60 intraday high, 60 rupee intraday high, but when the news came it also dipped it, so like everything was falling. So since morning like I was seeing that Reliance was under pressure, but the crude was not falling, and like maybe some people would have insider information about RBI's rate hike. But I thought like ahead of result it would be a profit booking, but it seems like it's only insider information. But anyway, like that's a part of our game, so we can't do anything, and there is no point of looking at the open interest and all. So markets are ultra bearish, and I just was like, I think just sell call option, it's in my opinion, because they are having really good premium. In Bank Nifty around 36,000 call was nearly around 58 or 60 rupee around, we are getting a really good premium. So let's see what happened, and many people are expecting some positive surprises in the market, but seems like no. And if Fed has increased by the interest rate by 50 basis point, then it can be a positive news, but seems like they are not going to do. Let's see what happens, but those who are selling is going having a sure shot profit, and we don't know where is going to be the bottom of the market. For the time being, I am out of my long position, and just having a strategy of sell on rise, and let's see. We will discuss some another things in the tomorrow morning. So if you enjoyed watching the video, thank you for watching this video. Hope you do good.